It was getting higher and higher in the air, and I thought, well, now I'll go, and I dropped in. I had a lifebelt on, and I hit the water with a terrific crack. And luckily, I didn't hit anything when I dropped in.
Well, we were standing on the steerage, third class they call it, and then we couldn't get up second. And of course, then there was one man with us, and he was our guardian angel, and he said, for God's sake, let the women up.
I didn't think it was serious because I didn't think it was possible a big ship like that could sink.